So in this video, I will show you a website where you can drag drop your video and it will convert into an animation. And you can use that animation in any software like Blender, Maya or anything for your games, for your cinematic renders or anything. So the name of the software is Quick Magic. You will see something like this. You just have to drag drop your video file there. Then in the right side, you can see we have so many characters. You can just choose anything. I'm just choosing this one. Then you will get this type of interface. You can change the title if you want. We have full body, hands and everything. Then we have this T-pose one. So make sure that you click on the T-pose, or you can just leave it to original pose also. So basically that T-pose will make your first frame as a T-pose, and then you just have to click on generate now. And you will see estimated cost 15V. This V is your credits. With the free account, you will get 50V. It means you will get 50 seconds of generations. 1V is equals to 1 second. And if you go with the link that I put in the description, you will get more V coins. So make sure that you just go and log in with my link that I put in the description and you will get more coins. So after that, when you click on the generate now, it will take some time to generate your animation. Right now it is showing 10 minutes. I have to upgrade this thing to a proper version. Right now I'm using the free one. With the free one, you will get that time limit. It will not gonna be that much faster. If you want to get faster results, then you have to go to the paid subscription. So my animation is ready. You just have to click on your project and you will see this type of interface. Alright, so now you will think that this is kind of not good because the hands are kind of clipping. While I was testing this Quick Magic one, so I took the bad video. What I mean by the bad video, so in this type of AI thing, AI motion mocap thing, you have to make sure that your video character is wearing very tight clothes or medium to tight clothes so that AI can see the hands properly, the legs properly and everything, the body properly. But in my video reference, you can see the cloth are kind of very loose, so it's very hard to kind of predict where the hands is, where the leg is, but still you can see the kind of quality this is giving is like crazy. So with other AI tools, it was kind of very flickering in the legs area also, but in this one it is very smooth. You can see there. The only problem is the hands, and the solution I just told you. You just have to use those type of videos where the peoples are wearing very tight or medium to tight cloth so that the hands are properly visible. Right now in this video, you can see that the hands are kind of very loose and it's very hard for the AI to predict the motion and everything. So this is the worst case scenario you will ever had, but still it is giving very good results. And you can also fix this type of hand motion later with the help of Blender or any other animation softwares. It will not gonna be that much harder. So after that, you just have to click on the download option. You will get a zip file. You have to extract that, and then you just have to import your model into Unreal, Blender or anything. So I'm just showing you the Blender viewport. You can see this is kind of perfectly fine. If you use video like where the claws are not this much loose, then you will not gonna get this type of issues. It will capture all your hand movements properly, your fingers and everything properly. And if you want more free points, then you can just go with my link that I will put in the description and you will get more points. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. I think this will help you. Thank you for watching.